we are analyzing the outstanding career of some famous Indian sportswomen who have successful contribution to Indian sports. Deepika Pallikal, squash. Deepika was born on 21st September 1991 at Chennai in Tamil Nadu. She is the first Indian to break into the top 10 of PSA World's ranking for women. She won gold medal in 2014 Commonwealth Games. She has also won 3 silver and 2 bronze medals in different championships. She received prestigious Padma Shri and Arjun Award. Hina Sidhu, shooting. Hina was born on 29th August 1989 at Ludhiana in Punjab. Hina Sidhu created a sensation by being the first India pistol shooter to have earned the number 1 ranking by International Shooting Sports Federation. She made her entry in 2006 and won 5 gold, 5 silver and 3 bronze medals at the World Cup, Commonwealth Games, Asian Games and other international events. Hina is conferred with the prestigious Arjuna Award in 2014. Saina Nehwal, badminton. Saina Nehwal was born on 17th March 1990 at Hisar in Haryana. Saina is known as the Golden Girl of badminton and is the most influential badminton shuttler in India. This former world number 1 player achieved a rare feat of winning at least 1 medal in major BWF championships, including the Olympics. She is the first Indian to win a Super Series title after the legendary player Prakash Padukone. She is one of the most successful players in the country with over 433 wins in her career. She was presented with Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and Padma Bhushan. Mary Kom, boxing. Mary Kom was born on 24th November 1982 at Kangathai in Manipur. She is one of the top sportswomen and a celebrity in India. By taking up professional boxing, Mary Kom proved that small can be mighty. She has the record to have won the World Boxing Championship 6 times and only player in the world to win 8 World Championship medals. Mary Kom has won a total of 13 gold medals, 2 silver and 3 bronze medals in her career. In 2016, she was nominated as Rajya Sabha member by President of India, and in 2020, she was awarded the second highest civilian award of Padma Vibhushan. Manika Batra, table tennis. Manika was born on 15th June 1995 at Delhi. Manika Batra is a top-ranked Indian table tennis player in the country and 47th in the world. She is the first Indian woman to have won gold medal in 2018 Commonwealth Games in the individual category. In the same tournament, Manika won another gold medal in the women's team category, silver in women's doubles and a bronze in mixed doubles. The same year, she witnessed a sharp rise in her fame after being given the Breakthrough Star Award. PV Sindhu, badminton. PV Sindhu was born on 5th July 1995 at Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh. Pusarla Venkata Sindhu is the reigning queen of Indian badminton. She made her international debut in 2009 and won a silver medal in 2016 Olympics, a gold medal in 2019 World Championship. She is the first Indian to have won a silver medal in the Olympics and the second international player to have won more than 5 medals at World Championship. PV Sindhu has entered into the list of Forbes' highest paid female athletes. She has earned the honor of Padma Shri, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and Padma Bhushan. Deepa Karmarkar, gymnastics. Deepa was born on 9th August 1993 at Agartala in Tripura. Deepa Karmarkar bagged the limelight by being the first Indian female gymnast to win a bronze medal at the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow. Deepa is also the first Indian woman in the last 52 years to have attempted the most difficult vault in gymnastics called Produnova and earning a spot among the 5 players who were successful in doing it. She has been bestowed with many awards like Arjun Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and Padma Shri. Rani Rampal, Hockey. Rani Rampal was born on 4th December 1994 at Shahabad, Markanda in Haryana. Not only is Rani Rampal the youngest player in the national hockey team, but also the first ever hockey player in the world to win the World Games Athlete of the Year. Rani Rampal is the present captain of the India women's hockey team, and under her leadership, the team won a silver medal in the 2018 Asian Games. Padma Shri Award is bestowed to her. Harmanpreet Kaur, Cricket. Harmanpreet was born on 8th March 1989 at Moga in Punjab. She is an all-rounder who has played brilliantly at numerous international matches. Harmanpreet also created a record by being the first Indian woman cricketer who scored a century in T20 World Championship. She is the first Indian player to have played 100 international T20 matches. Harmanpreet is present Indian cricket captain for ICC Women's T20 World Cup. Sania Mirza, Tennis. Sania was born on 15th November 1986 at Mumbai in Maharashtra. Sania picked up her tennis racket at an early age of 6 and kick-started her international career in 2003. Sania was coached by her father Imran Mirza. She won 6 Grand Slams in her career and was also ranked number 1 in doubles. Sania is one of the highest paid sportswomen in the country and entered in the list of the Elite Players Club. Vinesh Phogat, Wrestling. Vinesh Phogat was born on 25th August 1994 at Bhiwani in Haryana. Vinesh comes from the most famous Phogat family. She became the first Indian woman wrestler to win both the Commonwealth and Asian Games, and also first Indian athlete nominated for the prestigious Laur's World Sports Award in 2019. The Arjun Award winner has won 3 gold, 2 silver and 6 bronze medals in her career. She started 2020 with a bang by winning a gold in the Rome ranking series. Hima Das, Athletics. Hima was born on 9th January 2000 at Dhing, Nagaon in Assam. She gained attention after creating a record of being the first Indian athlete to win gold medal in the IAAF Under-20 World Championship. Hima rose to fame after winning 5 gold medals in just 20 days in 2019. She was also the first Indian woman to have a silver in 400 meters race at the Asian Games. In 2018, she received the Arjuna Award. In Feb 2021, she was honored with Police Deputy Director of Assam.